Ndabakulu namhlanje beyimayelana nesibawo sika advocate Malesela Teffo sokufuna kujanyiswe ukutjhukwa ngemibuzo kwabofakazi bakhe. UTeffo ojamele umsolwa wokuthoma kulabo abane ufake isibawo ekhotho. Uthi labo abajameleko azange bafundelwa amalungelo abo nabavela kokuthoma ekhotho eBoksburg. Ngelithi abasolwa ababili babo babethwa amapholisa abakatelela bona bavume ngekani icala lokubulala uSenzo Meyiwa. Icwetha lomsolwa wesihlanu advocate Zandile Mshololo uthe usiphikisa isibawo eso.
All I'm asking and seeking before this court, my lord, is protection, that I be granted an opportunity now and not later in the afternoon to proceed with my cross-examination.
Assaulted with the tonfa, assaulted with the baton, assaulted, they were even suffocated. To the extent that we were in the situation of the apartheid police tactics, where you will be suffocated with a tube. To confess, to incriminate yourself to the matter that you didn't know.
Ijaji nqabezile ku-advocate Mshololo ngokuphazanyiswa kwakhe ukutjhukwa abasolwa ngemibuzo. Ijaji lakhupha umyalo othi akuragele phambili ukwethulwa kobufakazi.
After listening to Advocate Teffo, after listening to Advocate Mshololo and Advocate Baloi, the court orders that Advocate Mshololo continues with cross-examination.
Uthe ngemva kwalapho advocate Zandile Mshololo waragela phambili nokutshwa ngemibuzo ufakazi wombuso ipolisa uThabo Mosiya. Umusiya nguye owafika kokuthoma bona abuthelele ufakazi endaweni yesehlakalo. Uthi endaweni yesehlakalo wathola ubrigadier Philani Ndlovu ongasekho ephasini apha batsho bekamsiza yena nababuthelela ubufakazi endlini kanina likaKheli Khumalo. Icala lizokuraga kusasa.